I miss this game so much.
I'm so happy to be back. Why's you fucking slapping in front of the mic?
Sorry, I forgot.
Oh, I'm happy to be back.
I'm so happy. Oh, do you reckon it'll look better since you got your new graphics card?
Probably not.
I don't think it will though.
Keep it down so it doesn't pick up.
Yeah.
Ooh, Potters! Here we go!
It's been so long!
Oh.
Oh, I love this game!
Oh, whoops, I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Oh,
man.
oh.
Jen.
Aaron, Cindy,
Oh.
yeah! Oh, fucking Nick.
Nick's so fat.
Yeah, enough of that. Let's get fucking. Oh, the indie nose
Oh,
bar!
fucking
Rank B?
It's only B rank. Come on,
We don't fuck
we
with
only
that.
do an A's. Who? Max speed, max speed.
Max speed, max
Max
speed!
speed, max speed! Okay, guys, so this is a fun playthrough.
Yeah,
Just because
what-
we missed this game.
Oop, that.
Yeah, don't do that.
No.
You just
What the f.
you just went to yes and said no.
Because it's other. Yeah, I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, we're playing this game for fun. Because
Yeah, because hard mode's... Wait, do we play hard mode? Hard mode's too hard, that's right.
hard mode is too hard.
It's...
We-
We'll do it eventually, but it's too hard.
We just can't get down to my rank A.
Hey, what is that? A Leon to a Stalefish.
Oh.
Crazy. Crazy moves.
Okay, where's our boy Jin?
Max speed, max speed. Put him in camo. Double camo.
Double camo, mate, of course.
It's
What
classic.
else do you think I'd go for?
Oh, that's right. Hold down to go faster. We've totally forgotten how to play this game, guys. So...
Oh, no, it's.
yeah, type 3... Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Type 3 Alpine. Yeah, max speed.
What do we want to go for? Flames.
Keep going, 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 keep going. That one.
Hate you. Oh,
How do we do tricks again?
I have no clue.
Oh no, I forgot.
Oh no, like actually.
Do you spin? Do you Fuck. Good luck, Cody.
Okay.
This is Cody playing, by the way. Oh my god.
Holy shit. Oh yeah, doesn't do tricks well. The
Oh,
fast.
that's right, because he's max speed. Not full tricks, full tracks.
Oh no, you do the diagonal backwards.
Do ya? I thought
on
you
max speed, you
spun.
do the on our normal board. You do.
I'm gonna go for a spin.
No.
Okay. Is it a spin?
No,
I don't know how. What are other people getting?
like thousands.
Fourth. It's not. I think in the early ones that's not bad.
It's alright.
We must have to do diagonal spin
We'll
later.
better catch up on this.
Okay. So guys, it's been long time since we
Okay,
played.
drink for the place we got on that.
Okay, what was that fourth?
Mm-hmm.
Back is so sweaty.
We need to find a fan. But a quiet.
They're all watching.
Oh! Oh, I'm gonna push start. Whoops.
Yeah, but no, we do need a fan. An oscillating. No, I mean, what are those ones where you?
Those, like,
there's
black
no
magic
fan.
one.
Yeah. There's actually.
Dyson. Good old Dyson.
Aren't most fans Dyson?
What? What?
I thought. Wait. Oh, that's a vacuum cleaner, isn't
Yeah,
it?
mate.
A good old Lux. A Hoover.
Ah!
What?
The shredding. I'm just so happy to be back shredding.
I don't remember how to play this game. I remember you hold down to go fast. You just pass Yegi. Fuck that cunt.
Fuck that cunt. We in second.
And wait, do you press X? I mean square, whatever,
Yeah.
to do a 6 shred?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love this game. I love this game.
Go, go, go!
Oh no! In case you guys didn't know, we'll put it on a doco eventually. But the reason Cook Sessions is even a thing is all because of this game. Oh, and that's right, you need to turn, you need to change. So R1.
Oh, that's right.
You're slow mode. But it's only for max speed people.
Yeah, it's only the Alpine boards.
Yeah, it doesn't have one.
Spain.
Oh, gotta remember to spot the beer. Beer the forest.
Oh. Fuck, mate. If you don't spot it, you ain't a true fan.
And there's that one song by some band.
Oh, fucking is it number 7 or is it 9?
I feel like it's 4.
Oh, fucking.
Yeah,
Oh, fuck you, boss.
Come back, just as good as we were.
Right.
Fucking fantastic.
You go, mate. You take over.
Thanks, mate.
Well, yeah, that was me playing, by the way.
Yeah, I told them it was.
Well, fuck off. I don't care. What's that? B.
I pressed X.
You did.
Oh,
do you reckon we'll be able to do it? I have a feeling we won't.
Because isn't the only reason we completed it was because we started using Yaki?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think
We can never do it on the next. Yeah, try the diagonal. Oh.
Wait, what does that mean here? Oh, right. No, I totally forgot to hold down A. That A preps you to jump.
It does.
I wasn't prepped, mate. I wasn't prepped enough.
You could have been ready, but fucking.
No, sorry, that was my blunder.
Also, yeah, we've been on a big hiatus.
Huge hiatus.
But
don't worry,
we're back.
you'll be hearing from us a lot more now.
We're back at it, better than ever. We've got a plan. We're coming in hard.
Nice!
Yeah, so he told you if you do the you
Okay,
get 500.
okay.
It's the one trick the
Alpine.
yeah, whatever.
2018 is the year of Cook Sessions. But we're gonna do it. We just finished our first ever board meeting, so
So we got it all planned
big
out.
plans, all scaped out.
All boarded out.
Hey,
Yeah, no.
no, that was reaching, mate. Oh, I remember the music.
Oh, didn't remember that corner.
Fuck. I tried shredding it. Tell me when I'm in slow mo because I always forget that.
You're not in slow mo.
No, yeah, okay. So if I'm facing left, I'm in speedy gin
If you
mode.
face, yeah. I still want to know what the ladybugs are. You're back, yeah.
What? Yeah. It's crashes.
Yeah, I know, but like, what do they do?
I don't know.
Oh, the launch.
Oh, that's right. You actually jump.
Nice.
Oh! In the space. Oh shit. It's right.
It's all good.
That was crazy. Though.
They come back.
Jin's going so fast. He jumps into space.
I think I'm 160 k's on a snowboard.
Oh, I've done that plenty of times.
I have, mate.
Yeah, man.
Oh, mate, I'm talking about real life.
Oh no! Sorry, I didn't figure that in.
Yeah. No, I know we've both been fucking blasting on this game, but in real life, I think I've only been 200. Think how slow they're going.
Jin's actually a pussy for max speed.
Yeah, like fucking 160. Does he even call himself a boarder? Does he even shred?
Not well.
Not well at all.
Oh, I'm in second place. I didn't realise that.
You didn't know what else? No, just fucking.
What?
I had a stroke.
No go. You not more this. Can I get in front of? No, I don't think so.
Oh,
No.
close.
Do a sit. Yeah. Bah, see, it's 360, man.
360, mate. See, he
Okay,
saw
mate.
that first place. He did 360 walk away from them.
Yeah, because they're too slow. All he does is max speed.
Oh, we're even with fucking boss.
Hey. I don't know if anyone's paid attention to other streams, but Boss has sick face tattoos.
Oh, like
It looks like an anime character. I mean,
fucking weeb.
like a badass one though that everyone likes.
Like Kaiba.
Yeah, kind of.
He's a sucker. Okay, let's see if the old diagonal jump works on this one. I feel like it doesn't.
I know it doesn't.
No, he just didn't stop.
I heard you try shots.
Yeah, I got 181.
181.
One more point and that's banned. With a blink in front. God, what the fuck am I saying?
Do you press?
You push.
I press X, you press B. I don't know how it works. I forgot. Hold on. Oh, shit.
Jesus Christ, you fucking mongoloid. Nice.
I got 81.
Yeah.
100%.
You should have gone with my method.
What's your method?
Fucking bitch, I can't.
Only 4 seconds behind though. We used to start like 13 seconds behind because we couldn't get checks.
Yeah.
Oh, beer in the forest! It's for the beer.
Mate,
The challenge for you kids.
if you kids out there fucking spot a beer, you get fucking, I don't know, something. I don't fucking know. Oh, analog stick doesn't work.
Long stick.
Analog stick.
Ah, that's right.
The long stick don't work.
Oh fuck the cheese. That's right.
Trees and cunts in the way. Fucking Cindy, you fucking rat shit
No,
ass.
that was Kelly. No, it was Cindy.
Aaron?
Erin. Cindy.
Oh no!
I've never heard you make that noise.
Right, expect a lot more of it.
Oh
no! Right, I was just dead upset. Listen, I can't get angry anymore because if we play fucking...
You've been playing. I was gonna say you've been weaving through those trees like a burnout player weaves through cars. Oh, Cody.
Mate, okay, the group's all together. I saw a deer. You...
You spotted the beer though. That's the question.
There's another deer. There's a fuckload of deer.
Well, I haven't seen a deer.
You've not seen them. You gotta keep an eye out, mate. Keep your eyes open.
Oh dear.
Shut up.
That was funny.
What was funny about it?
I don't know.
Nothing. See? You
A
fuck.
little bit. It just has a little chuckle.
What the fuck am I doing? Up until that point.
Look at all those ladybugs. See, I don't.
What
Should I
did
look it up?
Did they? No,
Should I
because
look
we've tried looking it up. It doesn't fucking say shit.
Oh,
on it.
have we?
Yeah. The fucking song.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Woo!
Oh,
I saw the bear!
Who was it?
It was up there.
Oh.
When I come fifth, I thought I was like eighth.
I know.
Beats me. Where are we now? Oh,
Okay, 1 point behind.
nice. Okay. Okay, I'm happy with that.
I'm happy with that. So you know
Should
what
we
I'm
try and do
not.
a sick grind?
No, I'm not happy with that. I'm pretty sure this.
Same one. And then the next one is
Oh,
the
okay.
one.
Next
Yeah.
one's that one.
And then it's just first one. At night.
What?
The
Oh, that no.
Yeah. At night.
The Jackbox reference. What is that? Isn't there a?
No, oh no, it's a shitty reference.
Okay.
Wait, no. What is it from? I don't know. Who knows?
Where's the
I'm gonna say
lighter?
it's not.
Do you have a letter?
You have a fucking lighter.
Thanks, mate.
You go, mate.
Thanks, mate.
You go. Gotta do fast, mate.
Oh shit! Shit! Oh no. Wait, should have faked a 360 tail grab to an indie nose bone.
It's only a 500. It's only a boss doing a 500. Not bad. No, not
I don't
bad.
know how to get
Just do a spin.
spin. You reckon?
Yeah. See how it goes.
come on, they look great.
Spin point 160. Yeah, whatever.
They look great to me. I don't know why I didn't land there.
Okay. We're the lowest of the low. We already knew that though.
Okay, yeah, and then okay. They did pretty well. I think maybe double our points.
Yeah, at least.
Maybe this is why we never won with Jin.
It definitely is.
But do we really know that? Whoa! What? Got that from a grab? That's
Mate.
crazy!
Big old grab. It's pretty shit though. We could have been 7th.
You only 4 seconds live, that's not bad at all!
What? No, I think it's total though. Like that's 0.1 second. Blah blah. It's behind the last person that went.
Oh.
So.
Okay, yeah, no, that's not.
Fucking.
Wait, what is horrible about this again?
No, this is a good one. I think.
Is it good?
I think it's just a.
Oh, this is super short, right?
Yeah. And what a fuck.
Come on!
Yeah.
If I'm being completely honest, Cody,
Yeah.
I'm used to burnout. I'm used to sliding against the walls. But you can't in this!
So for all you, we've been playing Burnout just in our spare time, hanging out
Like crazy.
like crazy. But the thing about Burnout is, you get angry.
You get furious. I think it's the angriest I've ever been in my whole entire life.
I think
playing
it is.
that goddamn game.
It does it for me. Alright, do a sick grind.
Oh, I forgot how to grind. No, they changed the
What the Yeah, you get a fucking corner.
Oh, I remember that.
I remember
I
that.
remember that.
Hey, all you old fans will remember that.
Yeah,
too.
well,
I don't think anyone was watching.
important. What? Why did I flip that?
Calm down, mate.
No, it wasn't.
Wow.
I let go because I didn't want to.
Jin, calm the fuck down.
I think I'm doing pretty well now. I'm going for.
Yeah, it's not bad, mate. Okay. Oh, there's a train!
Oh, I get it. There's a train.
No.
Second place, mate. There's boss.
There's fucking boss. We can take back some points. Oh, no, there's
No,
boss.
there's boss. He's in front.
Jump for here, I think there's an edge. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
No. Oh, jump.
Yeah, I know. Fuck you.
Yup.
Do you know, guys? Oh, I went to a switch, but you can't do that while you're holding down, guys.
Yeah, nah.
Just so you know.
Just for you, like,
Yeah.
people out there.
Of course, all you guys are going to play Cool Borders after this. So.
Win first. Sick. Good work, mate.
Fuck yeah. I'm surprised I won that.
Yeah, no.
Because I only crashed 3 times in the first 2 seconds.
See, we're gonna definitely get an 8th start on this.
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna definitely, and also there's the hard ones as well. There's pipeline.
Oh, wait, no, we're back at.
No, this is the bad one.
No, this is just normal one.
Oh, this is the normal one.
Because
half pipe.
So it's just a diagonal, and we should get maybe something.
I don't think you do at this point. I just think it lowers how bad you are.
Well, okay.
You didn't jump, mate.
I fucking did, alright.
Well, I didn't see
Yeah,
it.
well.
I didn't see it.
Well, big to dither.
Did you a fakie?
Dither?
Did you a grab?
No, I didn't do a grab. I went for the one thing I went to do. I'm not going to slow myself down for no grabs, mate.
Guys, you put my. Okay, here we go. That's perfect.
Thank you.
Oh, no! 482.
Mate.
We're not even last place. We're 6.
Wow.
That's actually,
I wasn't expecting
I am
that.
surprised. I'm very surprised.
To say the least, I am surprised.
I'm dumbfounded.
I'm bamboozled.
Flabbergasted.
I'm...
Take it easy.
Take it
easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Line up like you still can. Don't even try to understand. With your own hand. Take it easy.
Everyone out there, take it easy.
Yeah, take it easy, guys. Ooh.
Oh, I remember this one.
Yeah, I remember this one.
Oh.
Whoa, that's the tricky part right there.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
it's
no,
crevice that you're in.
I feel like I'm doing it not too bad.
Nice. That's seemed very good that you got.
Oh.
Go there for the shortcut, mate. You need to jump. You need to jump. You need to jump. You need to jump. You're done.
Mate, it might bring me. That's fourth. It got me.
Sack. It's shortcut, mate. Oh, I remember this. You're always at the top of a tree, and it drives you insane.
Yep.
This finish. This finish. Oh! Oh! Sick! Are you hard up, boss? Fuck yeah.
I don't think anyone
That's-
uses that. No. You're in one?
You're
Oh well, that's good.
Well,
It's
she's
tying
tied
up
with
boss.
boss.
Yeah, okay, that's good. It's tying them up for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get.
You got in front of him by 5 milliseconds. Fuck yeah.
Look at that.
We're doing well.
I.
And then we're
Okay,
gonna
but
have pipeline. And we're
I
gonna
think it's
wait.
next.
I think it's next. And you're the better one at pipeline, right?
I
Who's
can't-
the- I don't remember who's
I
better.
can't remember.
You know what the worst thing about this is?
What? No, yeah, no, it was me better at pipeline.
This part. What is this again?
I just always go for a spin, just a spin, and then hope you land it. But you never do, unless you get that fast spin that you sometimes get.
Oh, that's right. You get a super spin when you go into the sky and you spin like 14 times.
Yeah, and you just fucking land it, and you comes like, oh yeah. So
Oh, no. Don't you go to one side first?
yeah, I think it's this side. Oh, it might be the other side.
Well, that looks sick. That's gotta be 400. 574. Good stuff, Cody.
Good stuff.
Good
We're probably
stuff, Cody. That's fine.
It doesn't do shit in this round. 800 when you see fucking.
Okay. So this is me, kids.
That's the pipeline, ain't it?
This is Dylan.
Is it? Let's see.
And it is
Pipeline
Canyon.
Canyon.
Okay. Canyon.
Nah. The
God, my
Y's
back is
si-
so sweaty.
the Y's silent. It's like my name, Cod.
Oh man. Oh, this is the course.
Get
that-
ready to get decked.
Yeah. How did we do it? Did we grind? How do you
No, we
grind?
never,
I remember I
we
grinded.
never ground.
never grind.
Past tense, man. We never pulled off a ground.
How do you do it again though?
I don't even remember. I think it might have been.
Fuck off. Is it R1?
I don't know.
I feel like that would be a grind button, but I don't remember ever using it.
It's fucking exciting shit though.
Fuck yeah, it is.
Oh
No.
no.
Shut up.
Oh,
Oh, fuck it. Oh, was that Jichi?
that was either Jichi or Nick.
I think it was Jichi. It was Jichi. Nick's fat.
Yeah, Nick.
What was
fucking
that?
chubby. Oh.
Don't you jump to get going again? Is that a thing?
There. Okay.
No, I didn't get it.
No, we never have. So.
No, I got it once temporarily.
Like
do you remember?
for a millisecond.
Yeah, a millisecond, but I still got it.
Yeah. Well, fuck.
It's on a stream, mate. Look it up.
It's not online anywhere, so no, they can't look it up.
It's on my computer. Fuck!
Okay. There's some bum sticker bullshit.
The fuck was that?
There was some fucking Burnout 3 level bullshit.
I won't get on that level, mate.
Well, okay, no.
Crazy that. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I was about to say something dumb.
Yeah, no, I said something before. And
What did you say?
no, no.
What are you gonna
Let's
say?
just forget about it.
I'll say mine if you say yours.
No, I can't say mine on stream.
Okay, understand. Mine's just dumb. I just don't
Okay.
want people to hear it.
Yeah, no, I don't want people to hear that as well.
mine was just unintelligent, not anything important. No, there's a way to do it.
It's been a while. It's been a hot minute.
It's been so long since I played this game. Look how far behind I am. Fuck.
You might better get in 7th. Watch out for this corner. I remember this being a doozy. Oh, wipeout. Slow mode, mate.
fuck up.
Oh, this bit. I remember that bit in mirror mode killing us.
Honestly, Cody,
Yeah.
I feel like Burnout has trained us a little bit.
It's calmed us.
No, I mean, like, I'm turning better. I'm anticipating the corners. Because Burnout's hard. Burnout's a hard game.
It's not an easy one. Look at these people adoring for a nice spin.
Thanks, mate. I did a double spin. Did you see that?
No, I saw it.
I hope the fans did as well. Okay, so still second.
Okay.
That's fucking good ass.
Didn't get any points. But, hey. What's the next one? I can't remember. Next one? Oh, it's the one with the jumps, isn't it?
It is. You need to jump.
Oh, we got this again. We can just
What's it called?
I don't.
I remember the name. Oh, I don't really.
No,
it's. Oh, it's crazy. It has a sick soundtrack.
No, that's the last one.
No, I know the last one is the sickest
The
one.
sickest.
No, when you go across a bridge, that one. You know what I'm talking about?
You're right.
Yeah, it's hard as fuck.
Okay, we're in second. If you do just a back spin, like a diagonal back,
Okay, yeah,
we'll
I
keep
got that.
second, which might let me keep second. Or
It's called like, oh fuck, I forgot what it's called. But do you remember it now?
I remember it. Nice.
Okay, sick.
Unless someone pulled some fucking bullshit. Unless they're pulling fucking 5-card 21s.
Fuck yes.
That's a. Look at that.
Misty 360. That's us.
Because fucking. Hey, who's your favorite band with mist in the name?
Rey Mysterio's theme song.
Mate, you're wrong. Amnesia Mystic.
Is it?
Freezing.
That's the one. Honestly, get ready. I remember this one being
I remember getting
chaos. Absolutely dick. And I think we got lucky the one time we got it. But
yeah! Sick song! Oh, that's the. Oh!
yeah, that's the one. Perfect.
And you don't jump on them.
You know, jump on the next one. Jump on the rocks though.
Yeah, tried, didn't work. Jump just didn't.
Okay, maybe don't jump on them.
Yeah, no, we usually did though.
I don't remember. There's sharp corner.
Oh, well, that slowed me down. I can't
Yeah,
do it.
that's good. That's good. You died.
Yagi, get the
Yagi.
fuck out of here. I'm in slow mode. God damn it. That's why it's.
You're right. You're in.
Shut up.
I see. You're right. You're in fourth. Fuck Aaron. You got that. You got that. You got that. You got that.
No!
Remember, there is a bridge. I remember. We know where it is. Well, we used to.
Yeah.
But you need to go the straightest line in the goddamn world. It's so scary being behind someone like that because if you bump them, you just turn to shit. Right. Beautiful, beautiful. That's the hard part. Fuck Aaron. That is Aaron, right?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Or Cindy, I don't fucking know.
I'm pretty sure it's Aaron. Cindy's short here, I'm pretty sure. Cody!
That came out of nowhere and I wasn't ready.
You're amazing! You're amazing! You're in third place on freezing point.
Make some. There's a bit.
Oh! That was incredible! That was the greatest thing I think you've ever done in your life.
I think it will be the only great thing I do in my life.
Final strike, final strike. Oh, fuck.
So Dylan just spilled a beer over him. So I'm gonna go find out.
Over everything. Over everything. Thanks, mate.
Oh, good, mate.
Ah, my dick's cold.
Mate, it's not better than your dick being cold.
What's that, mate?
Your dick being at freezing point.
Nice.
No, it wasn't.
Joking a cool water joke into a dick joke. That's comedy.
That's comedy gold.
That's
Look at that, 39 point.
It's still no point.
Would you do 39 points?
Yes.
You could not.
In one night? You didn't even
Oh.
say that. Oh
no.
No, we sorted.
Yeah, I know, but for the next.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm aiming for the corner. Look at this. Fuck.
Shit fuck. Shit fuck.
Did we grab or something? Maybe we flip on this one? I
I-
don't remember.
We did something.
We did something. I gotta keep this towel
We're in
here.
6th.
Whoa.
What
Okay.
the fuck?
It's odd at this level of the game. I'd be so surprised if we actually got it.
I would be too. No, this way, because I think we might have gone this way.
You reckon?
Yeah, fuck. Yeah, we'll see what it gets. Look at that, 30 distance. 9-9 spin. Ah, fucking
Okay, yeah,
right
that's
back down. What's this one? Oh, this is the jumpy one.
Yeah, this is the jumpy one. Okay. What's it called again?
Winding River.
I don't remember that at all.
No. Not a fucking...
I think it was
hint of
pretty rare at this
Oh,
point.
but just jump all the jumps.
Yeah, I know.
And it's got a 6 soundtrack as well.
Yeah, fuck yeah. The last ones do. Okay. What is happening here? That was weird.
That was odd.
I don't really know what happened there.
Oh, it's got that bit where you jump.
It's
Keep to
short.
the left. Wrong way. Not wrong bit. Next bit, keep to the left.
Okay, thanks.
No, I'm just watching out for you.
Oh, not doing well.
Too early to go to sleep.
But this is so close.
Yeah, that's the one.
Ah.
Yeah. Tricks you. And then this has got a drop off right there. Oh,
I jumped it.
you did, but could have gone a lot riskier, mate. You gotta watch yourself. I like it. Oh, yeah.
Why would it spawn in slow mode?
Ah, fuck, I love being pinballed.
Why am I going backwards? Is this right? No, it's not right.
No. Jump.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, you might be able to get a... You're fucking catching up fast.
yeah, max speed, max speed.
Max speed, max speed!
Fuck. Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Not great.
Not great, but still some points.
Yeah.
Will help us get through, because I think I was good at this last one.
I barely remember the last one.
Because we fucking only got to it a couple times.
Yeah, exactly. But I remember it has the best goddamn soundtrack
Like,
in gaming.
period.
Like, done.
Oh,
Full
okay,
stop.
so we need to get a decent... What did I do last
What's
time?
Tyson's toe? That's
the
the half
half
pipe.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Is it half pipe at night? I can't remember. No,
No.
just cloudy.
I feel like we had a way to do this.
I think it's go this way.
Well, we'll find out.
On Cook session.
Oh, that seemed very good, Cody. Oh my god.
It's probably going to be like 8th still. 4th.
Fourth, that's
Okay.
not bad at all. I will not keep you
See,
at
if
that
we got the
price.
high jump, we would have done better. But it's just random whether we get that high jump or well.
Did you grab?
I just went straight, so I was not back sideways.
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
sideways. Oh! Got a little height.
Okay, I panicked because I didn't know what you were saying.
Sideways.
I did see. I just went back sideways, not both.
Well, so that's when we had a bit.
I could be wrong. We'll check the footage.
Oh, someone do a playback?
Yeah. Send it to us.
I'm pretty sure I said about every fucking thing. So. Oh, we need to get second to clear. We still made it to the last round. That's all that really matters.
But hear this song though.
I mean, I don't know what the audio is like, how much you can hear that, but
But
I'm having the time of my
that's
life.
fucking sick. Turn it up.
Turn the bass up. For Snow fucking Ruins.
Snow Ruins is play this as party. Everyone's biggest fan. Everyone's your biggest fan, I should say.
And they're our biggest fan, because, you know, who
Yeah.
introduced them.
Yeah, exactly.
Get the fuck out of my fucking asshole, eh? Okay, it's getting intense now.
Yeah, let's do this. Oh god. Done that. That was perfect shredding around there, mate.
Mate, if you knew perfect shredding, you're not looking at it right now. We finished
But-
with 50 something. We're on 37 or some shit now. I think you meant to jump to there and jump over that for the shortcut.
Yeah, I don't think you can with max speed though.
But that would make all the sense.
They would make all the sense actually. What's the other ones? Technique and
The power? No, technique and I'm not having much control over.
yeah,
Please no.
Looks like you're on the edge and you can't control it.
Yep.
You just see you fell off the other side of the screen as well.
That's good. Oh, I'm on fucking slow mode. I'm on slow mode.
If you got back up there, it would have been amazing.
Will I even get to the checkpoint in time? That's the real question. So I know we didn't our first time when we got here.
Yeah, no, I remember that actually.
Oh well, at least we're as good as.
Yeah, we're not bad, and I don't think we oh god,
That's exactly what we did.
shit. I don't think we ever completed it with Jin.
I don't think we've ever gone this far with Jin.
I don't think we ever have.
I think if we played our normal board, Yagi All Rounder, was it?
Yeah, Yegi all rounder. I think we can win like that.
But yeah, I'm happy with that.
Well, that was good. I was chuffed with that.
Ah,
Oh, look how fucking sick boss looks, guys. That's what we're talking about.
look at that! Look at that! It's like,
He does a half pipe rotation. Do you even understand that? Because we don't, and that's how good boss is.
Exactly. Just fucking. What now? Alrighty.
I mean, well, that was a fun game to start January, the year of Cook Sessions in 2018.
I had a good time. Did you have a good
I
time?
had a great time. I missed this game so much.
I
Wait,
forgot how much.
Don't worry. There's an event coming up later this year that all of these cool Borders lovers will indulge in.
We'll have to throw an actual event for it.
We are definitely throwing an actual event. All our friends, all our subscribers, you'll be there
You're welcome.
for the stream.
And
I guess if all our subscribers are there, nobody can watch it.
yeah, but
Maybe someone can't make the party.
exactly.
Yeah.
They're like,
But
"I'm
don't
stuck
worry,
up."
it'll be huge, it'll be massive. Don't worry, we'll let you guys know.
But it'll be something. It'll be everything. We're looking forward to it. You're looking forward to it. Maybe you're not, but you will be.
We'll make you look forward to it.
Even though we had to force you, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Also, buy our merch, guys.
Yeah, Redbubble for the moment.
Yeah, wait, whatever on that.
Yeah, you'll find it. You're smart people.
That's really it. If you fail, ask us. There's merch out there. Find it. Wear it. So,
Yeah.
we've got it.
You'll be an official cooked cat.
I feel like half of them already are.
Well, yeah, probably. Anyway, that's it for Cool Borders.
That's it for
Cooked Sessions.
I love this game.
I didn't get a grind.
You've never gotten a grind.
Okay, you're not wrong, but anyway, fucking have a great time. See you later,
Thank you for watching, anyone who did.
and we'll see you on the next cooked session.
Next cooked session.